Alright, so today we're going to be installing a kickstand on this pw50. These are the tools we're going to need. There's the kickstand assembly, spring, and mounting plate. Let's get this thing going. Alright, we got our mounting plate set up there. We got two 10mm bolts that we're going to put in there. We're just going to finish tightening those up. Alright, after we got our kickstand mounting plate bolted up, we're going to mount the actual kickstand now. We've got a dowel pin, goes through and holds kickstand on. Got a cotter pin to secure it on the other side. Line up our holes as best we can here. There we go. Now, put the spring on. There we go. It's a tough spring. Tighten that up a little bit. It's as easy as that.